Hey guys, Choppers Raw One here. Well, I'm taking the Cat Rod to its first car show. That's next month, which is about a month away today. So it's the 20th of the 3rd, so the 24th and the 25th of the 4th is the next car show. So what I need to do, I want to repaint the whole lot. New tyres, I'll put new tyres on it. I'll repaint the rims. I've got a better idea for headlights. I've got a better idea for the grille. You can see that she's starting to show a bit of age and a bit of wear and tear because my granddaughter's been riding around on it. The paint's faded. The steering huckle on this side is a bit how you going, and the one on this side is just as bad. So I'll have to go through all that, fix all the front end up, as long as I don't fall over everything, and replace the tyres. I definitely got to do that. I definitely needs a paint job, guys. I've got to find something for taillights on it. So if anybody out there's got a set of taillights or can get me a set of taillights, email me. My email's in my about page in my YouTube channel, and please send them to me. I'd love to put a wicked set of taillights on it, and I've got an idea, as I said, I've got an idea for the headlights. So that's it, guys. What I need to know is what colour should I paint it? Should I leave it the original colour it is now, or should I change the colour? I'm definitely going to change this. That's definitely getting changed. The wheels are getting changed. So that's what I need to know, guys. I need to know what colour I should paint it. So leave it down in the description. And if anybody has any taillights or any small things like that that they want to donate to me, I don't mind paying the freight. That's not a problem. But please let me know. As I said, my email address is in my about page. Send me an email or comment on the bottom down here and that. But that's it, guys. I am going to start and pull it apart and fix a few things, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, bye for now.